Hey y'all, we want to do some names for some people because I want to say y'all name. Hey, I want to go and say your name though. Yeah, I want to go and say your name though. All right, I want to go and say your name though. Can we pick it up a little bit, y'all? I want to go and say your name though. Let's go. I said that, hey there everybody, can I come and say your name? I wanna show some love over here up in this game. I'm rocking in that red light, some in that blue light, but I'm over here then like I'm about to go and take a flight. Said what? So now I wanna go and say your name. Some people telling me that saying the J is straight insane. I wanna say the name of other people in the chat, but still I'm over here to let me say I got your back, saying that, hey. Talking about I'm saying your name. People's over here that everybody not strange. We doing everything and some people wanna sing. I'm singing over here to when I wanna say your name, saying, hey, saying I wanna say your name though. Alright, alright, alright. I said I wanna say your name though. Alright, alright. Now I'm saying your name, I started from the bottom up. We got an Eric LaPointe, oh yes, he cutting up. He cutting trees over there, they in a room too. So let me tell your people, yes, but thanks for coming through. I seen Elisa J stock and she doing stocks. Some people's over there, oh yes, I do, I like my stocks. My stock and as I grow, then you wanna grow too. Some people, when I'm here to just to say your name too. I seen the educated natural in the house. People telling me that, do you know we in the house? You know the other neighbor and you calling them by 10. You coming over here to get a smacker once again. So if you doing that and you also doing who, you might get it up and in the skip because it's true. So when we keep it true then and we keep it to ourselves, everybody, yes, I'm over here to say your name is there saying, hey, said I wanna say your name though. Alright, alright. Hey, I said I wanna say your name though. Okay, okay, okay. I said I wanna say your name though. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I said I wanna say your name though. Let's go for some more. I seen that resilient dead up in that house. He going doing 100 miles and he rocking the south. He rocking up from the east and west, also the north. The people's over here today that say you like in the north. You getting cold, getting hot, and you wet and you dry. Some people talking about the people when you drain your eye, but still I'm over here today and you wondering why. Because I'm standing your name, and when I look to the sky, I say, hey, that's the end of the beat, y'all.